Alright, gonna review like this plastic crate pen. Although I do feel that you can actually, use it for that purpose, for like a dog crate, right? Personally, I'm gonna use it for to replace, like my old disgusting litter box, for my cat. Like not the litter box, but the litter box mat for the cat. And I think it's gonna serve really well with that also. So I'm gonna get this one out of the way and basically just replace it. Toss this one out. This way, now at least it looks nice and neat.